Hey boo, it's me. Welcome to the channel. I don't do that. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because, as you know, I am in a new place and it's not done yet. Still buying furniture, still looking for furniture. But one of the things I did want to focus on was buying artwork for the walls. I'm not gonna lie, that can get pretty pricey if you're really looking, especially with my taste. She's gonna be expensive. And you know, I'm balling out on a budget here. We're still buying furniture, we're still buying rugs, we're still buying kitchen stuff, bedroom stuff. So I'm really trying to be as on a budget as I can be with the home stuff. And I was looking online for artwork, and like when I had my old room, I got a lot of my artwork online. I was looking a lot on Urban Outfitters. Yeah, I know, I'm that bitch. But I mean, they have cool stuff, don't lie. But when I was looking, I was just like, it's so expensive just for one piece. And some of these things, I feel like I could just do it myself. Not saying I am a artist, but I feel like if I just put my mind to it, you know, I could do it. He's gonna be here also helping me paint. Like a little date night type of idea thing, but also like making art for the house if it works out. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go get some canvases and paint brushes. If you want to see, you know, if it turns out well or if it's a complete fail, keep on watching. Okay, so we're driving to Ross right now because like they have canvases for the Lolo and I think paintbrushes. So we're gonna check Ross first because, you know, do it for the treat. And then whatever we don't find at Ross, we're gonna go to Michael's after, and they're really close together. So yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, so I'm back home and I literally only had to go to Ross. I love Ross. Ross is that bitch. My girl. Love you, Ross, if you're watching. Yeah, I didn't even have to go to Michael's. Everything I got was at Ross. So let's do a little artist haul. So this is all my stuff. You can see I got a 5-pack of canvases for $9. Whole thing of paintbrushes for $5. And then I got these double-sided marker sets. Like, these are the different sides. It was $7. And then I got a watercolor paint set of 12 for $4. So making the total $27.27. I got all this for $27.27. Do you know how much one picture at Urban Outfitters is? It's like way more than that. And we're gonna make 5 pictures. But I mean, let's see how they turn out. So I'm gonna set up and then let's go paint. So, welcome to me and P's date night. So we just screenshotted artwork from Urban Outfitters that we are inspired by. This is what I'm working on. You can see in this picture here. So I'm using a bowl as my stencil. And then P, this is what he's working on. I'll try to put it somewhere here. I don't know. The reason why we are getting inspiration from Urban Outfitters art is artistically we are not original, I guess. Would you say that?
No, I'm pretty original.
Why are you copying then?
I'm not. They copied me.
Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do that and then we'll tune in when it's done. Aha!
It's pretty good.
Okay, I don't even know if these brushes or paint, like how good they'll be, just because I did get them from Ross. But we'll see. Also, my laptop's here because I'm looking at the picture, if you're wondering. He ended up being self-conscious, so he showed me what he started working on, because he totally abandoned the thing he was copying, and then he became original and did some original work. So then I'm like, I want to be original too. The first painting is done, by the way. It's just drying, so I'll show you guys later, but now I'm gonna be original. And for the first painting, it's okay that I copied, right? I mean, I'm not selling it, I'm not profiting off it, it's just for the house. So yeah, but I'm gonna try and be original and see where that gets me. Okay, I am waiting for my original piece to dry, and this is why I never planned to go the original route, because so far it looks like this. Do you see that? You see this? But it's not done. I'm just waiting for it to dry to add the finishing touches. And then I have faith, but also I feel like it's not gonna turn out how I want or how I plan for it to look like, but I have faith. So we'll see. Third painting is about to start. I'll show the other ones later when they're drying or done drying, but this is what I have for the third painting. Another original. So we'll see how this goes. I'm hoping this one will redeem my second one, or the first original. So we'll see, and I'll give you an update, but I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek because it's all taped up. It is the next day. We had to wait for them to dry overnight. So let's go over what my paintings turned out to be. I have 3. B has 2. One is still, like, he's thinking about it. He's still working on it. So I'm gonna show you mine for now. First one, the one I was inspired by from Urban Outfitters. I like it. Yeah, I actually really like it. I like the colors, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So that's what it looks like. Here is the second one where I went rogue on my plan and did the original route, and I'm gonna just leave it here. This is my lame attempt to make something meaningful and original. It says "be kind" right here. To all people of different colors and shapes and sizes. So that, honestly, the border really just saves it. And then my last and second attempt to be original, I hope this redeems myself. I actually really like it. Is this one, and this is the one you guys saw taped up. Bam! So this is the sun and its rays and it's nude. So that's what it is. My intention of making this was to make like an accompanying picture for this. As you can see, they're both from the same color scheme. So I kind of want to hang it like this, you know what I'm saying? Or like this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna hang these up. I honestly kind of want to hang this up too, just because it's like fun, but I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Okay, as for P, he wants to show one of 2 that he made. So let me bring him out.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, so he has a really good one. He wanted to buy a poster of this, but then he was like, let me just draw it out. Okay, I'll let you do the rest.
Alright, here you go. One of my heroes. The eyes aren't done yet, but they're really hard to draw. So I actually asked my brother to come over and finish it.
He's a perfectionist. But I mean, tell him who it is.
It's Barack Obama. It's our 44th president. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good though. Like if you bring closer.
Still not too close.
Yeah, not too close. But it's like really good. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna find a place to hang this up, if any. But that's it for my video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.